Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to create user groups and how to add users to them. Why do you need user groups, you may ask? Groups are used to automate notifications, and they also are used to grant system visibility and other action permissions. The user group section is part of the system settings. You can find it under your image and name on top of the screen. As always, if you need some guidance, you can see a short explanation opening up the link "How does this work?". The existing user groups can be seen first. If you click on them, you will see the users that belong to that group. If you need to add a new user group, for instance, to group your developer team users, click on Create a new user group and give it a name. After it is saved, you will be prompted to add users to the group. You can reactivate group if you need them again, or deactivate them if these are no longer needed. I hope this was helpful. Cheers and have a good day!